friends! Welcome to my fun learning channel. Today we learn about plants. Plants are living things that grow from the soil and turn light from the sun into food. There are 5 types of plant: herbs, shrubs, climbers, trees, creepers. Herbs. Herbs are short-sized plants with soft, green, delicate stems without woody tissues. Tomato, wheat, paddy, grass, and bananas are a few examples of herbs. Shrubs. Shrubs are medium-sized, woody plants taller than herbs and shorter than a tree. Rose, jasmine, lemon, tulsi, and henna are some of the common shrubs around us. Climbers. Climbers have a very thin, long, and weak stem, which cannot stand upright, but they can use external support to grow vertically and carry their weight. Pea plant, grapevine, sweet gourd, money plant, jasmine, runner beans, green peas, etc. Tree. Trees are big and tall plants. They have very thick, woody, and hard stems called the trunk. Banyan, mango, neem, cashew, teak, and oak are some examples of trees. Creepers. Creepers, as the name suggests, are plants that creep on the ground. Watermelon, strawberry, pumpkin, and sweet potatoes. Oh, thanks for watching.
Damn.
Do subscribe for more interesting videos.